Hey guys, happy Saturday. What's up guys? Good morning. Today me and my mom are going to the African American Book Expo in Brooklyn. I never been to one, but I heard about it. I don't know, how did I find out about this book expo? I think I googled something, or like book fairs or something like that, and it popped up on Google or whatever. And I've had these tickets. Well, I had my ticket since December, and today is April 28th. At first I was gonna go by myself because one, my boyfriend, he works on Saturdays, so I couldn't go with him. He would have went with me, and then I was like, look, I'm going by myself. But I asked my mom just in case, and she really didn't want to go, but she was like, all right, I'll go with you or whatever, because I be trying to get her into reading and the books and stuff. A lot of the people like I've been around lately, I've been getting them back into reading or whatever. My boyfriend, my mom, my friend Ashley, like they've gotten back into it because, you know, I do my book reviews, or I talk about books and stuff like that. I post my books on Instagram and on Snapchat and stuff or whatever. So, you know, I wanted to go to a book expo and just see the experience or whatever, and, you know, meet some new authors. And, you know, I don't know if they're gonna do forums or whatever, but it starts at 12. It's actually 11:09. Me and my mother should have left already, but hopefully it's not a long line or whatever to get in, and hopefully like we don't have to wait a long time to buy books or talk to authors and stuff like that. Yeah, I wish Ashley and Jaquavis was gonna be there, but I don't think they are or whatever. Like, I know they're not or whatever, but I wish they were there because I would want to meet them. I would want to meet Wahida Clark too, but they're not gonna be there. So hopefully sometime soon one of them will have like, or be at a book expo, and I'll be able to go. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Right now I just got my little True Religion hat on. I've been wearing hats for like the past 2 months because, well, not 2 months, but maybe like a month, because I don't be wanting to do this little lace front type thing in the front or whatever. It's not that I don't want to, but I really need to wash my hair up under it, and then I'm like, I don't want to stick it back down and then take it off, and I gotta wash my hair. But yeah, so I just be rocking my little hats or whatever, but I'm gonna wash this hair soon too. I'm trying out a new foundation today. I don't know, girl, don't even pay attention to these bumps right here. You know, my cycle is on. But yeah, they got me out here looking fucking crazy. But I'm trying a new foundation. It's okay so far. I don't know. But little eyeshadow. I'm gonna do a haul, a makeup haul soon, so you'll see all the stuff that I'm wearing in my makeup haul soon. The lip gloss I'm wearing is see-through from MAC. I'm wearing a Maybelline foundation, the Fit Me foundation, but instead of the one I always use, the matte poreless, this is the dewy smooth. And I should have been using the dewy smooth from the beginning because I have dry skin, but I like the matte poreless. But I was like, let me try this one, you know. So I'm trying this one, and I have on my eyes, the eyeshadow I use is from the Subculture palette. The pink eyeshadow is called Cube, I think, or something like that. You know, it was a big little thing with the Subculture Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. You know, it was this whole big thing when it first came out, that it was just so patchy and so, like, it was just a whole thing. I'll get into it when I do my makeup haul. But yeah, yeah, on my eyebrows is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And yeah, so this is what I'm looking like today. Got a little denim shirt on, some regular jeans, and we're gonna be out the door in a minute. So yeah, talk to you in the next clip.
If she misunderstood or what the situation.
Ooh, this swaying. Right?
I ain't cold. Bro, I don't got no clothes.
I didn't know it was gonna be outside. It's cold. Is your stuff on Amazon?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And then if you're not feeling that one, this one is completed.
Okay.
This one, part 3, is coming out before the year is up.
Oh, okay.
But this is actually my favorite.
That's your
series.
favorite too?
Yeah.
So
This was my favorite before this one came out.
oh, okay. You gonna put your other jacket? Alright. Now you got me like
I think this one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think. I'm gonna get. All right, I'm gonna get this one.
Wi-Fi off, right? Let me see something. Did I do something the other day with this? Huh?
Oh no, not yet. Ma, you want to try this shea butter? All right, you guys. So the book expo was cool. Ma, how did you like it? Ma,
Say it again.
Ma, how did you like the book expo?
It was excellent. We need more of these in our communities to support each other as women and as men as well. Okay, and let the children see an example of what their parents can do.
So it was cool or whatever. It was like small. I didn't know it was gonna be on a rooftop, like outside. So like it's warm outside right now. It's like a good, nice little 60 degrees. I don't know what the heck my mother is doing. It was a nice little 60 degrees, but it was cold up there because we was on a rooftop and it was like in the shade. So like everybody had their coats and hats and shit on or whatever. So, but it was alright. What are you doing? So I think we about to go get something to eat because I'm hungry. So we might hit up Applebee's or whatever.
He's not feeling well with that cold. I knew he wasn't going to come out.
So you want to go to Applebee's because I'm hungry.
I
I said the reason why I wanted to get some food is because I get paid next week.
Oh.
Hey girl, how you doing?
You taking my picture?
It's a video.
You taking me?
No, I'm taking the man
I didn't know you were taking. Baby, what's this for? I ain't been here in 100 years.
It's like a game thing or whatever. You can play games and you can sometimes pay on it, but I don't like to pay on it. Okay, thank you. I don't like to pay with it though because it'd be extra weird. Thank you. I don't like to
get
use
crazy
it.
now. We ain't getting crazy now.
Oh, you pay you treating?
$12 I'm gonna spend on you. Okay, your $12. Thank you.
Wow. See how you do me?
But Sean, didn't you just say that you somebody?
I lied. No, I'm kidding. You see it, Mom?
I see it on the front of it.
It like the mothership. It like the mothership. Blackbird has landed.
Under a groove. Getting down just
Oh, she learning how to ride her scooter.
I see that. I know that this.
I wish the cars moved so you could see
I'm
it.
surprised you said that. It's the mothership.
It do. Wait till it
It look like
comes.
the mothership.
Just without the end parts.
Right, exactly.
Move, people. Look at it.
Oh yeah, you're right, Sean.
Told you. Hey guys, so I'm home from the African American Book Expo. Me and mother, we went to Applebee's as you guys saw. I'm kind of upset. No, I'm not kind of upset. I'm upset because I left my little to-go box on the doggone table at Applebee's and I didn't realize until before I walked in my building, and that was all the way in Brooklyn, so it's a dub. But I'm upset. Right now I'm about to eat me some cheesecake from Junior's, but I wanted to show y'all these books before I take a nap because this is sleepy. Okay, so this is some of the books I got. I have 5 books. My mother has 1. So I'm gonna start with this. This is by Kiara Neuville. I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but I met her there, and it says found love with the header 1 and then found love with the header 2. I think she signed all of them for me. Let's see. I think she did. Yes, she did. To Sheana from Kyra, thank you. And I think she just wrote that in all of them. But she gave me a nice little deal for the books. I can't even get to this. She gave me a nice little deal for the books because the next series that she has is oh gosh. Never Thought I Fall for You. But her standalone books were $20, and her series was $20 too. And I couldn't decide which series I wanted because I always like getting the entire series or whatever. So she was like, oh, I'll just give you a deal and give you all four for 30. So I was like, yes, sis. And then I got this other book from this girl named Yanni. She gave her heart to the realist. I met her too. She was nice, and I think she signed this one. Yeah, she signed it right here. Sheana, Yanni, peace, love, and blessings. Thank you for supporting. So yeah, you know, I gotta support my young black female authors. There were male authors there too. I didn't get to go to everybody because sis didn't have like a lot of money. But yeah, my mother got this book. Is It Morning Yet by this lady that was there. She was really sweet. She signed my mother's book too. So yeah, her name was Karen. She has nice handwriting too. So yeah, it was cool. The book expo was really dope. But yeah,